Namaste, friends. Do you all know all the gastrointestinal disorders are mostly psychosomatic in nature, meaning the mind plays a major role in the manifestation of all these diseases. If you're curious to know how exactly the mind affects our gut health, what diet to follow, and if you would like to know exactly what are the minor differences between all the gut health issues like acidity, ulcer, IBD, IBS, bloating. So, all these things sound different terms, but the root cause is the same. We shall address all these things going to the five element level, and not even just that, but to the root cause till the consciousness level, how exactly we undergo and get into these problems of gut health. And also whether the fermented products really help us. For whom are these fermented products exactly? We shall see all these things in the coming up Uni5 Gut Health Course starting from December 25th to 31st of December. I would strongly recommend and request all of you to please join this course and get benefited. Thank you all so much.